Model, 2017 Nissan Navara Acenta Dci spares OR repairs ultra-low miles. First to see will buy for sure, smiling face with open hands. Body, grey 4x4. Mileage, 43,224. MOT, the 29th of May 2024. Engine, 2298 cc YS23 E6B. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is extremely clean and tidy. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy, immaculate, well looked after, pride and joy. First to see will definitely buy. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, air-con, electric windows, start-stop. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £14,095. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp